Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good. I'm back again with another video. In the last video, I talked about Facebook Analytics, Facebook Pixel, how to set it up, how to set up an event, and how to track everything. Today, in this video, I'm going to talk about Google Analytics, how to go ahead with it. So without much further ado, let's jump right in. What is Google Analytics? It is also a bit of JavaScript code that you need to install on your website to track conversions and activities about your audience, about their behavior, about their interactions, in everything, all the data that you need. It is so much more than Facebook Pixel that you'll realize after using it. Now moving forward to our computer screen, open analytics.google.com. You'll see this interface if you're logging in for the first time. Now click on Start Measuring. Now you have to give some basic details such as account name. I will give the exact name as my website's name, that is Zach Fitness. Now click on Next. You'll get three options here: web, apps and web both. If you have an application, you can go with application and web, but I only have a website, so I'll go with website option. Now you have to give the exact name as your website. In my case, it's Zach Fitness. Now website URL, you have to copy your URL and paste on this blank space. Now you can see there is already HTTP on everything which is already there. Now you need to check if your website is HTTP or HTTPS. The difference between both the terms is whether your website is secure or not. Go to your website and see there is this lock option, which means my site is secure. So I'll be using HTTPS instead of HTTP. But if your website is not secure, you can use HTTP. There is no harm. The outcome will be the same. Now select your reporting time zone, which is India. Accept everything. Now you get this code on your screen. You just have to copy this code and paste it on your website. This code is also known as global site tag. Now you just need to copy this code. Go to your WordPress dashboard. On the left hand side, you see plugins. Select Add New. Search for Google Analytics. You can either use Monster Insight or Google Analytics or GA Google Analytics. But I personally prefer to use Insert Header and Footer. Why I prefer Insert Header and Footer is because I can add several code which I can use. On my screen, you can see it's already activated. On your screen, if you haven't installed it yet, click on Install, click on Activate, ready to go. Now click on Settings, Insert Headers and Footers. Now you can see my Facebook Pixel code is already installed. No worries. You can just paste your code right there under the header section. So alright, check again if you have inserted correctly on your header section. Click on Save. Go back to your Analytics dashboard. Click on Home. Currently there are no active users. Now I'll go to my website and see if it's working. Yes, so there it shows one active user. I'll go to my overview, real-time overview. There it shows real-time use. If you're on your website, people are coming in on your website, you'll get to know about your top active pages, your top locations, your top social traffic, your top referrals, and everything. You'll also get the information related to your audience, their behavior, their conversion, their acquisition, how are you acquiring those customers, and everything. You must have noticed it's very similar to Facebook Pixel. Now that brings us to the ultimate question: Facebook Analytics or Google Analytics? The answer isn't either or. The answer is yes in both. It can be used together or separately. In the end, it all comes down to data. As Notorious Big says, the rapper, more data means more money. Google Analytics overall is a robust platform. It offers more data, more conversion tracking, and overall larger picture than Facebook Pixel. In my opinion, you should just get in, play around, and learn. In the coming videos, I'll be telling you more about digital marketing, how to use all these softwares to retarget, remarket, and all the other things. Thank you so much for watching.